and welcome to KU News, reporting live from Kingston University.
Today we are talking about the current COVID-19 pandemic. 4,713 people have tested positive in the last 24 hours,
making it a total of 1,325,000.
1,069 COVID-19 patients are reported in London hospitals today.
Of these, 13 patients have died in London hospital following a COVID-19 positive test result,
leading to an astonishing total of 16,359.
There is a new COVID-19 campaign who are actively promoting awareness on the topic.
We are now handing over to the Prevent and Protect COVID-19 campaign to find out what they actually did.
Oh, what are you promoting?
So we're the Prevent and Protect COVID-19 campaign group called Lock COVID Down.
And what's the aim of the campaign?
So there's a lot of misinformation surrounding COVID-19. So we want to provide clarity and educate the public using evidence-based information. There's a lot of guidelines surrounding COVID-19 which is constantly updating. So our campaign aims to provide the most up-to-date information.
And why COVID-19?
So COVID-19 is an infectious disease which impacts everyone and it doesn't discriminate against anyone. So that's why we think it's really important that the public have a source to up-to-date information.
And why is prevention and raising awareness so important?
So our aim is to prevent, because by preventing transmission of COVID-19 we stop people from catching it and passing it on in the first place. Prevention has also been highlighted and emphasised in the Pharmaceutical Contractual Framework 2019, and this is why our goal is prevention.
And you said you've been using evidence-based research. What is the reason for that?
Unfortunately, there have been many conspiracy theories and misinformation during this pandemic. As future healthcare professionals, one of our biggest responsibility is supplying correct and reliable information to the public. So we are using only evidence-based information, evidence-based research. We are using different websites such as NHS WHO and government websites and peer-reviewed articles as well.
And how have you been raising awareness?
Mainly we are using social media platforms because nowadays nearly everyone has at least one social media account, so it is one of the easiest ways to reach out to people. We are active on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook as well. We are also distributing some leaflets to the public. We are encouraging people to follow us on social media and introducing our campaign as well.
Now that we've heard from the COVID-19 campaign group, it's time to see how they play a role in everyday life.
Hey Faiza, how are you doing?
I'm really worried that I might have COVID because someone close to me has tested positive.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, do you have the symptoms for COVID?
What are the symptoms?
So do you have a fever or a new continuous cough or any loss or change to your taste and smell?
No, I don't have any of those.
Okay.
But I'm still worried that I might have it. I want to double check.
Well, you can order a lateral flow test.
Oh, and how do I do that?
So you would go to the government website and then you would order the lateral flow test on there. So do you know how to take a lateral flow test?
No, I've never really done it.
Well, there's this campaign on Instagram and Facebook called Lock COVID Down, and they show really good demonstrations on how to take the lateral flow test. So this one's an example.
So is there anything else I need to be doing?
Well, it's also really important that you wash your hands regularly. Do you know how to do it in the best way?
No, I just want to wash my hands.
So there's also a video on hand washing here. And also on your way home today, you should also exercise some measures that can help reduce the risk of COVID transmission in public transport. There's also some advice on that here.
Okay, that's great. That's really helpful.
So just make sure to sanitize your hands often, wash them a lot, and to take care with wearing your masks. And do the lateral flow test as soon as possible.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's very reassuring.
As you can see, the COVID-19 pandemic is an ongoing situation. We will have a responsibility to be self-aware and educate ourselves on this issue. I've been Isil.
I've been Gaia, and remember, keep COVID on lock.